Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This awesome little 400cc sport bike just arrived from its original owner with only 5,825 miles. It's got all the upgrades you want. It's got grip tape on the tank, frame sliders, an awesome sounding Remus exhaust, fender eliminator. This bike is in beautiful condition. Come on by, make your lightweight sport twin dreams come true for just $52.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.